chart climbing, yeah. Foreign car driving, yeah.
Hello. Hi. How are y'all? Vanity is Deadly here, but you can call me Vanity, and we are going on a mission today. So I am on a quest of bad bitchery. I am working on becoming a bad bitch in every sense of the word. And part of that means having great hair. I ordered a few things from the internet, and I'm going to the beauty supply to go pick up some bundles so we can make a wig today. And y'all are gonna come with me. Y'all are gonna see me make a wig, and my first wig, it's gonna be a U-part wig because I've been wearing like regular wigs and my edges are suffering. They're almost gone. So we're working on bringing those back because that is not bad bitch at all. I will see you in the car. I have to go on a few errands today. So it's really, y'all are just gonna come run errands with me, but then y'all are also gonna come back to the crib and watch me make this wig. And hopefully not only will I be cute, I will also save my fucking edges, because that's really the whole point of this. Alright, so we have made it to the beauty supply, and I think I'm gonna get a lipstick. I need a lipstick. So we need some dome mesh caps and extra large because your girl has a extra large head. And I feel like I need something else. I probably don't. I just like being in the hair store. Nope, I'm gonna have to go to the counter for the human hair because they only keep the synthetic and the mixes on the floor. And I need this wig to last me a while, so let's go check out. Alright, now we are reluctantly in fucking Walmart. God, I wish they would go back to being 24 hours because I would literally only come to Walmart at 2 in the morning, but now I gotta be in here with the locals and I'm not here for it. Gotta avoid staring at all the things that I don't need. Oh, and I can spend $200. The beauty supply, surprise. Yes. Let's go. All right, we are back. I have eaten, I have gathered all of my supplies, and I think I'm ready to go. So let me go ahead and show you everything that we need. You will need one wig kit, one wig cap, and this one comes with combs to sew inside of your wig. You will also need one hair dye kit. It comes with gloves, a tint brush, a highlighting cap, and a shower cap, I'm pretty sure. And you will also need a mixing bowl and hair dye of your choice. You will also need hair clips, but I bought this pack because it was $10 for several combs and all the clips I needed. And I will link everything down in the description box below. Alright, so the first thing that I did, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, probably not because it's real faint in real life, but I did put little markings on the north, south, east, and west portions of the head. That's just because you have to measure your head. This is a lot of measuring. This is a 24-inch mannequin head, by the way. This is the biggest size they have. I have a big ass head. So you don't have to buy a U-part wig cap specifically for this. I just chose to do it because they make them. Why the fuck not, you know? But this is the part that's supposed to go over go by your ear. And I'm gonna take the T-pins that came with the wig kit. I'm just gonna pin them down in all 4 places. Y'all, I really want to emphasize that I do not know what the fuck I'm doing. This is literally my first time making a wig of any kind, And I've said this before, I don't know shit about hair. I do not know how to do hair. That's not my gig. Don't listen to me. That's just that. I say all that to say just don't fucking listen to me. Just watch. Just watch. Now we have to thread the needle. I just remembered I don't know how to sew. Alrighty then. One moment, please. I forgot to mention earlier that you are gonna need a pair of scissors. Hair scissors, not regular scissors. These are shears, but they're cheap. They're not like professional. So you can't see this shit. I've threaded my needles and I tied the knot 3 times just to make sure this bitch wasn't going nowhere. I asked the lady at the store to match me with a texture that would best match my hair texture. I'm not really quite sure what my hair texture is. My friend told me it was like 3C. And I'm gonna just take her word for it because I genuinely just don't know, but I also have like 1,000 textures going on in my head. So I'm going to double weft it because we like thick wigs in this neighborhood. I haven't even started yet and I feel like I've done so much, and I 110% understand why people charge ridiculous amounts of money for you to make them wigs, because what the fuck. So since we're at the beginning of the track where it's folded, you can't see, but where it's folded, we're gonna stick the needle through those tracks so that way it lays flat. Wig to just look good, I'll be happy. I'll be happy as shit. So it is 4 a.m. Been doing this for approximately 4 hours. This is what she looks like. So I will pick this up again tomorrow. Hello. It is the next day. We are back and this is 18 inches. I have a 16 and a 14 left over. I'm going to try and finish this tonight, and that includes me dyeing it. That might be a little ambitious considering it took me literally 4 hours to do just this one, but we'll see. So let's go. Let's do it. Look at me over here sewing and shit. I'm a professional. I feel like a professional. But one thing I can say is that I don't know if you guys can really tell. I do need to work on like making it flatter. And I would probably go back and like draw guidelines on my wig cap, just so I can know for sure that it's straight. It looks fine, but alright, so this is 3 whole bundles. So I'm hoping that when I go get one more bundle from the beauty supply, that'll be enough. And I'll try not to sew the tracks so close together, because I almost, oh no I didn't. I kind of feel like that's what I did. Other than that, I'm really pleased with my work. I will see you guys tomorrow. I went to the beauty supply today and picked up a bundle. This is 12 inches, so I have an 18, a 16, and a 14 attached to the head right now, and this is 12 because they were out of 14, but that's fine. I have my needle threaded and ready to go, so let's get started. I finished sewing her. This is what she looks like. She's really full. this is all the hair that I have left. So basically, I use an entire 4 bundles. I have a really large cranium. Now all I have to do is dye her. I got 3 bottles of this Adore hair color in off black, not jet black, because my hair is not jet black. And this is a 2, and that is brown and too light for what's on my head. So I got 3 of these. I almost forgot. Cling wrap. I saw other YouTubers duct taping cling wrap to their mannequin head, so I'm gonna duct tape cling wrap to my mannequin head. Okay, so I know I'm not dressed right now, sorry, but like, y'all, this is the wig. It's my hair. I literally have just my edges that need saving and like this much on the top left out. I am so happy with the outcome, you guys. Bitch, I went off. Okay, so the critiques I would have for myself, I would definitely, I am, whenever I go or I get around to make my next wig, going to map out the track placements, just because they ended up doing this. And I definitely need to learn how to make my thread a little more secure. I can see myself having to tighten this wig up, I'd say in about a month or so. But besides that, your bitch did a good job. She did a 72 hours worth of labor, and it was all worth it. As far as I'm concerned, this is my hair. Thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me, and I will see you in the next video on our next adventure through life. Man, I feel so good. All right, bye.
You give me so